hamsters. What do Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, and Charlie Munger have in common, besides being the world's richest people? And what does rat poison have to do with it? Let's watch today's episode of Hamster Academy to find out. Charlie Munger, probably the most colorful expressions about Bitcoin, and the entire crypto industry came from Charlie Munger, who was an investor, vice chairman of Berkshire Hathaway, and close friend to Warren Buffett. We'll start with true or false. True or false that Charlie Munger called crypto rat poison? It's true! In fact, he called it worthless rat poison. Here's how else Munger described crypto. It is totally, absolutely crazy, stupid gambling. And? I think the people who oppose my position are idiots. But why? Apparently, he didn't see any value in it and was sure that all crypto was going to zero. Warren Buffett. As for Warren Buffett, the world's most famous investor, with an estimated wealth of $134 billion this year, he also never liked crypto. Still doesn't. Why? He believes crypto assets do not have value and don't produce anything. It's a delusion, basically, Buffett once said.
It's a delusion, basically. Yeah.
True or false? Do you think Warren Buffett ever said that? Crypto is for criminals only. It's false. He never said that, not directly at least, but he did imply that crypto is involved with a lot of illegal activities. And does he agree with his friend Charlie Munger? Does he think it's a rat poison?
It's still rat poison?
Well, it's probably rat poison squared.
Bill Gates. The Microsoft founder might not have been as colorful in his expressions as Munger or Buffett, but he also does not believe neither in crypto nor in Web3. Gates said they are 100% based on greater fool theory.
100% based on sort of greater fool theory.
And called a famous NFT collection Bored Apes expensive digital images of monkeys that brings nothing to this world. True or false time? Bill Gates said Bitcoin is bad for the environment. True or false? It's true! Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and remember, hamsters have power. One for all and all for one. See you tomorrow!